Hello guys, for this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-add ng integers. So, as you can see, we have two symbols here, the positive and the negative symbol. So first up, we have to add same signs. Paano ba mag-add ng parehong sign? Ganito lang, as usual kung paano ka mag-add ng numbers. Pero, we have to follow the specific symbol na meron sila or signs na meron sila. For example, number 1. Positive 8 plus positive 9, that is equal to, pag-add mo yung dalawang numbers, 17. Yan. So, ano po yung sign nila? Positive, therefore that will be positive 17. Next, number 2. Negative 2 plus negative 4, pag-add mo yung dalawang numbers, that is 6. Ano yung sign ng parehong numbers? That is negative, therefore that is negative 6. Next, paano naman kung magkaiba ang kanilang sign or different signs? Ganito po, positive 10 plus negative 4. Ang gagawin mo dito, kahit addition yan, dahil magkaiba ang kanilang sign, magsusubtract po tayo. 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. Ngayon po, tingnan mo yung sign ng bigger number which is 10. Ano yung sign niya? That is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive 6. Next, number 2. Negative 12 plus 7. Kapag different signs po, subtract. 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. And then, ano po yung sign ng bigger number? Ayan, 12. So, therefore, anong sign niya? Negative 5. So, our final answer is negative 5. Thank you po. Sana makatulong.